We have two amazing steaks today that we cooked up in two different methods. Stay tuned to find out how we did it. Give these steaks a generous helping of salt and pepper, and also make sure to season the sides because steaks this thick need the sides seasoned as well. This first steak is being cooked with the direct method, that is right over the charcoals to start it off. Now this might get confusing, so bear with me. I cook these steaks at the same time, but I'm going to show you the first steak first and second steak second. We're doing now we're still showing you the method for the direct searing. We just did a quarter turn on it. We are now going to flip the steak, showing you the amazing caramelization. I'm going to do one more quarter turn on the steak before we put it off in indirect heat. And there we go. It's now in indirect heat, and to make this go even better, we're going to damper down our top and bottom vent on the big green egg, so it will reduce the temperature in the barbecue and not cook it too fast. Once the steak is done, and which it is now, we're going to pull it off and let it rest. There you have it. Beautiful. The next method is the reverse sear, that the steak is going off indirect of the charcoal, so it will be raising the temperature more slower and more precise. Once at the desired temperature you have it, then open up your dampener on the bottom and the top to get a nice rip-roaring fire, and then put the steak on for a quick searing on both sides. And this will be quick. You don't want to overdo it here with cooking it too long because it's already at the temperature. And pull this one off and let it rest as well. And look at that. Let's bring these steaks inside. Alright, we have these two steaks. On the top we have the direct method. On the bottom we have, let's just go ahead and pause it. Okay, on the top, as you can see here, this is the steak that was directly seared first and then indirect. This one on the bottom was the reverse sear steak. There is a definite difference you can see from these two steaks. My preference is I think the bottom one, the reverse seared method, looks more appetizing. It's more of a redder, darker mahogany color versus the other method. And we'll play it back and you go back into the video. They both look great and they both tasted amazing. Now I have the final footage here of us cutting up the steak. I'll let you enjoy that footage as we exit this video. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep barbecuing America. Cheers.